Welcome back mga ka-crush. Dito pala tayo sa ating Juicy Tuesday at ang ating week-long celebration.
Yes, at kasama natin ang Playboy Playmate. Ang napakaganda si Swan.
1 year na natin nakasama.
Yes.
So, ang Playboy Playmate si Swan Havines.
That's right.
Swan, dati ba ugly duckling ka?
Sabi nila, that's what they said.
Okay, Swan, ano bang latest ngayon sa Playboy at mag-promote ka na rin?
Oh yeah, well, we're here right now. Tonight we want to invite you guys to attend, to go to Mugen Bar at Metro Walk. Grace Arshon's going to be there. We're promoting the August issue of sports issue of Playboy. So hope you guys can come and see it. You get free tickets if you buy the magazine.
Ay, maraming salamat, Swan.
Thank you very much.
Playboy Magazine, mga ka-friends, ngayong month of August.
Can I just say thank you to Arnaldo Couture and to Faces and Curves. And to you guys, happy anniversary.
Maraming salamat.